registration or your exam scheduling, everywhere AIA teams, internal team is helping you out.
Our team was completely helpful for me. They support me with each and every button, each and every process. They help me.
Your support staff, Sadaf and Nidhi, are also meticulous in following up. Why you have not attended the class? Where are you?
I would actually like to thank Academy of Internal Auditors.
Really appreciate your team and what you have done.
There are any doubts, contact Sir or Nidhi.
It's really I am very thankful to the AIA team. And
last but not the least, the staff coordination you have is really appreciable, sir.
The credit goes to you and your team.
Your team also good.
Your team is wonderful, sir.
पर आप लोगों का बहुत सपोर्ट रहा मेरे लिए, तो इस वजह से मैं एग्जाम को क्रैक कर पाई थी, तो मेरे लिए पॉजिटिव मिक्स.
I was so happy to know that everyone, each and every step, they guided me.
The internal team for AI, I would like to take the name of Sana, and sometimes I have even connected with Didi. They are really helpful.
Team has guided me pretty well.
And nonetheless, your staff members' commitments.
Appreciate your team and you.
Nidhi ma'am, it was good.
Each and every IT team, they helped me so much.
Scheduling, everywhere AIA teams, internal team is helping you out.
All thanks to the team of AIA.
Whenever we used to ask anything, any material, anything, they used to provide.
So that proactiveness, sometimes when somebody is doing a knock-knock, boss, where are you?
I had a good communication with them.
Our team was completely helpful for me.
Thank you very much, I think, to you and your team for helping me out on that front.